Welcome to Teeny DIY Craft! Hope you enjoy the video! I need a phone stand. Let's make one together. Fold the paper along with me. It's simple, right? Almost done. Ta-da! Let's try it. How do you think? It's really sturdy. And here's a flip picture. Let's start. What do you like? I'll pick KUROMI. And a strawberry bear too. Isn't it awesome? Guess what I'm making? Two boxes. Let's wait and see. You guessed it, right? It's only the beginning. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it. Almost finished. Impressive, right? Let's continue with the mystery bag. First, let's make the bags. Put your favorite item inside. Decorate the bag. Mystery bag keychain. Let's grill some fish. Start with the stove. The grill rack. Can you believe this charcoal can burn? Decorate it however you like. Of course, we can't forget the fish. Cute little fish. So cool. Smells so good. Let's eat. Next dish, canned meat. Can't skip this one. I'll start with the packaging. I really love KUROMI. You can draw any character you like. Remember to decorate it nicely. This must be the lid. Unbelievable! I like beef. What about you? Ta-da! Canned beef! Have you tried making this? Let's do it together. Don't forget to follow while watching me make this. I'll color it with rainbow shades. Place the glue bag we made earlier. What do you think? Give it a try. Squishy? No, it's pizza! I need a sponge piece. Shape the pizza slice. Paint the baked color. Which topping should we add? Watch this part carefully. Amazing! Stretchy cheese. Wrap it up and gift it to friends. Hope you like and share this video. Squishy hamburger. A piece of dry tissue, a bit of cotton. Round the edges. What color is a hamburger? This video almost smells delicious. I love cute stuff. Do you? All done. So satisfying. I'll give this to my friends. Here and here too. Fold and draw the paper like this. Can you tell this is strong, Bob? It's gonna be adorable. Let's color, Strong Bob. Ta-da! I've got this. Stick it right here. We've got a bunch of grapes. So pretty. Guess what I'm drawing? You think it's a cloud? Let's wait and see. Let's cut it out. Be careful with the scissors. Use tape to wrap around. Haha, it really is a bunch of grapes. Double-sided tape. These are definitely grapes. Look at how many there are. The magical grape bag. What do you think? Lucky spin wheel. Cut the paper into this shape. We need 2 of these. Shape the spinning wheel. Isn't that creative? Lucky 4-leaf clover. Add some decorations. And what's this? Quite detailed, isn't it? Keep going. It'll look amazing. Oh, and don't forget to like the video so I'll have more motivation to make cool crafts. So exciting! Will it work? I can't leave it plain like that. Ta-da! It's done! This is a backpack, right? It has so many pockets. Remember this size. A few more folds and glue steps. Do the same with different colored papers. How many pockets do you want your backpack to have? Make it your way. Use a longer strip of paper to wrap around. It looks like a backpack now. Can't forget the stickers. Wear this backpack to school and show your friends. the candy? There's a secret inside. Let's begin. Wrapping paper. Half of the candy. Now it's 2 halves. Put the secret item inside. This really is a magic candy. Surprised? What's inside? It's candy! What about this one? It's a charm. A spoon. A little food. Oh, where did the food go? Gotta make it. Draw any character you like. Color it beautifully. Simple, right? The familiar spring. The bouncing mouth. It's mealtime. The kiwi, orange, and watermelon fans. Let's start right away. Cut 2 paper circles like this. I'm drawing kiwi seeds. Put them together like this. All done. What do you think? And this KUROMI gift box is for you, and see you next time.